champion ng Talentadong Pinoy sa Season 5 ay walang iba kundi si Leia! Maraming salamat po sa inyo and congratulations!
Gentlemen, Leia Santos!
Noong 1999, nag-audition ako sa Singaling noon. Ang gamit ko pang name, screen name ko, Leia Santos. Swerte ako, nakasali ako hanggang sa nag 4 weeks champion ako noon. Sa ngayon, meron na akong 2 anak, si Milea at si Kyle. Ayun, nag-aaral sila, isang grade 3 at isang grade 2. Tapos yung asawa ko, supportive sa akin. Kahit saan ako kumanta, nandun siya. May tindahan si nanay, bali pag wala siya rito, ako yung namamahala. Tapos pag may mga racket ako, yun. Siya yung nagbabantay sa mga anak.
Ngayon natin mapapatunayan kung sino sa dalawa ang may tunay na lakas. Hatid sa inyo ng Cobra, the #1 ready-to-drink energy drink. Tunay na lakas.
Showing us the lung power that brought her to the top, here's our 1-week defending champion, Leia Patricio.
When it comes to saying goodbye, there's a simple word that I just cannot say. No, there can be no way this can help thinking oh no, so we just pretending. Convincing ourselves to give it just one more try, because neither one of us wants to be that first to say. Neither one of us wants to be the first to say. Neither one of us wants to be that first to say farewell, my love. Goodbye, goodbye.
Our defending champion, Leia Patricio. Leia, you join me here. What do you think, Goma?
Leia, para kang isang bagyong dumating dito sa studio. Binagyo mo silang lahat. Kinaya mo silang lahat. Magaling ka. I love the way you sing. Ang sarap ng feelings nung kinakanta mo yung lyrics ng song. Gusto ko yung choice of music mo. Siguro baka pag sumali ka sa ibang contest, hindi lang dito ka mananalo, pati sa iba. Yeah. Kayang-kaya mo.
Thank you very much, Goma. Alex.
Doon sa American Idol.
Yeah.
In fairness, Leia, di ba last week, di ba, ikaw ang aking bet. Ngayon, di mo ako pinahiya. Di ba, masaya ako na this time, yung iba yung pinakita niya, di ba? Kasi last time, very Whitney Houston. Ngayon, medyo may sobrang twist na, wow, may ganon. Yung may, hee-ha! Ayun, love it.
Thank you very much, Alex. Direk, what do you think?
You are, Leia, your voice is extraordinary. Talagang kakaiba siya. You know what? May manager ka na ba? You know, you just need to lose a little weight. We were saying, Alex and I were saying, yung ayos mo last week, parang it made you older. dun sa VTR mo, sa interview mo, you look younger with less makeup. So, ang recommendation, kasi, Ryan, everything is look and voice also. So, it's also the packaging. I would go for a younger look, less makeup, para mas mukha kang bata, lose a little weight, maybe 10 pounds. And I think you're on your way to stardom, girl. Because that voice, you don't hear every day in any contest. Really.
Ang ganda, ang taas ng quality ng
Ibang
voice
klase.
niya.
It's good.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Thank you very much, Direk Audie. Thank you very much, Talent Scouts. Leia, maraming salamat. But now, it's time to call in your challengers. Susunduin ko lang, Leia. Just a minute. Okay, James. Dito tayo sa gitna ng stage dahil eto na. I think this is one of the very rare moments sa Talentadong Pinoy Direct, no? Na dalawang singer.
Two singers for the first time, actually. First
First
Yep.
time na we have two singers fighting it out dito sa Talentadong Pinoy. Na mag-uwi ng 50,000 at may chance ang makabalik next week para depensa ng kanyang corona. Bilang Talentadong Pinoy ay walang iba kundi si... Congratulations! You are tonight's champion, Leia Patricio. James, thank you very much. Here's 10,000 pesos, James. Maraming salamat. Leia Patricio, congratulations. Here's 50,000 pesos. Your total is up to 100,000 pesos now. And of course, this is the second step towards Hall of Fame. So good luck, Leia. Sana next week ay maghanda ka dahil sigurado maraming gustong magpataob sa'yo. Thank you very much, Leia. Let's congratulate her. Palakpakan po natin. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunod din nyo sa amin. And don't forget, sa Lunes na ang Kwentong Talentado, 8 p.m. dito sa TV5. Ako si Ryan Agoncillo at eto ang #1 talent show on Philippine television, ang